welcome back to another episode of Johnny's Kitchen on the What's Next channel, where we have a little something for everyone. You guys remember back in the day when Taco Bell used to have the Enchirito? So about 15 years ago, they stopped selling Enchirito in my region area of San Antonio, Texas area. So today, I got a special treat for you guys. Today we are going to make the Enchirito. So for a limited time only, I'm bringing it back, but it's only in Johnny's Kitchen. So today we're gonna make that. So what we need is the ingredients. So we have that right here. So you're gonna need the enchilada sauce, refried beans, taco seasoning, a pound of ground meat, sliced black olives, onions, grated cheese, and 3/4 cups of water. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna brown our ground meat. So we're gonna do that. And okay, right guys. So I'm browning the ground meat, and what I did was I added my onions to the ground meat so they can kind of, as you can say, saute while the meat's browning. And also over here, I got the refried beans warming up on the next burner. So what we're gonna do is once the meat is brown, which is almost getting there now, we're gonna drain all the grease or the oil, and then we're gonna add the taco seasoning and the 3/4 cup of water. All right, guys, I made a little error when I first had the ingredients out there. So I know you're probably sitting at home wondering, how's he making enchiritos when he doesn't have any tortillas? Well, guys, here are the tortillas. So I just wanted to jump back in here quick and let you guys know, make sure you have your tortillas or you can't make the enchiritos. After 15 minutes in the oven on 350, here we are. As you can see, it looks really, really good. So let's do the taste test. It'll be nice and hot, so let me. Oh, it's gonna be really hot. Wow, that's so good. Reminds me of Taco Bell Encharito. Tastes just like it. And this reminds you of your childhood up until I think it was like 35 when they stopped selling it at the local Taco Bells in my area. Man, this brings back so much good memories. So please like and subscribe. Leave any comments below. This brings back memories. So once again, um, Johnny's Kitchen on the What's Next channel, where we have a little bit of something for everyone.